Look at the whiteboard. I am going to explain the mechanism of facilitated diffusion across the across the cell membrane. Look here at the whiteboard. Silpa, Sangeeta, and
Yes,
Pooja,
sir.
look here.
Yes, sir.
Transport across the cell membrane. There are two types of transport across the biological membrane. There are two mechanisms: passive transport and active transport. And this passive transport are of two types: diffusion, osmosis, facilitated diffusion. We have already discussed diffusion and osmosis. Today we are studying the facilitated diffusion across the cell membrane. And the term facilitated diffusion is being used because there are some facilitators. There are some facilitators in the cell membrane which facilitates the transport across the cell membrane, and these facilitators present in the cell membrane uh, include the carrier protein and ion channels. Look here, I have the first. Let us see at first the carrier protein. This is the structure of the cell membrane. This is the structure of cell membrane. This is the outside of the. I have written here outside of the cell membrane. This side is outside of cell membrane. This is the inside of the cell membrane. Suppose that if some chemicals, if some metabolite in the reading, in the this circle showing the M represent the some metabolite. This M represents the metabolite. Some chemicals, some substances. In this case, some metabolites are present outside the cell. Outside the cell, and these metabolites are to be taken inside the cell membrane. How does the metabolite present outside the cell membrane will will move across the cell membrane to reach inside of the cell? Look, this is the this structure, this semicircular structure which I have shown here in the cell membrane on the side of the cell membrane. This is the carrier protein. This semicircular structure represents the carrier protein. This is the diagrammatic sketch. This is the diagrammatic sketch to explain the mechanism of the carrier protein involved transport across the membrane. Suppose that this structure which I have shown here in the semicircular form, this is the carrier protein located in the cell membrane. This carrier protein present in the outer face of the cell membrane. This is the outside of the outside. This is the outer side of the cell membrane. This is the inner side of the cell membrane. So the carrier proteins located in the outer face of the cell membrane binds with binds with the metabolite, binds with the substances which are inside the cell. This circular structure in which the which represent the metabolite binds with the carrier protein located on the outer face of the cell membrane. This carrier protein undergoes the conformational change after binding with this metabolite, and this carrier protein moves toward the inner face of the cell membrane, and now this metabolite is released inside the cell membrane. Look here, this is a very important point here. This carrier protein present in the outer face of the cell membrane binds with the metabolite. After binding, it undergoes the conformation, and this carrier protein and this binding of the metabolite with the carrier protein forms a complex, and that complex is known as the carrier metabolite complex. Carrier metabolite complex moves toward the inner face of the cell membrane, and it releases the metabolites which it has taken up from the outside. And this is the outside of the cell. From the outside of this light has entered the inside of the cell with the use of this carrier protein. What does it mean? It means that this carrier protein located in the cell membrane is facilitating the uptake of the metabolite from outside to the inside of the cell. This is the mechanism of the facilitated diffusion of the substances or the molecules or the molecules of metabolite from outside to the inside of the cell. This is the carrier protein which facilitates the transport across the membrane. Therefore, this is facilitated diffusion involving carrier protein. Now look at the ion channel. This is the ion channel. Silpa, this is the ion channel. The cell membrane also has the ion channels located in the cell membrane. This is the closed ion channel. Look here, I have written here closed ion channel closed. A proteinaceous channel is present. And you know that you have, Silpa, while I was discussing the structure of the cell membrane, according to the fluid mosaic model, I have told you that there are three types of protein in the cell membrane: peripheral protein, integral protein, and transmembrane protein. This structure, the protein which expands, or traverse across the membrane is known as the transmembrane protein, and this transmembrane protein as the protein as the tunnel or the channel. Look here, this is the transmembrane protein, and and this is the outside of the cell. This is the inside of the cell. Here, this is the ion present out the outside of the cell, and this ion is to be transported inside the cell. How will it will get transported? This is the ion channel. This is the ion channel, and this ion channel remains at first closed. Again, in the second step, this ion channel becomes open, and the ions present on the outer side of the cell membrane, outside of the cell, this ion moves. This ion moves across open channel, and this ion is present outside. This channel is closed here. This channel is open in this case, and this ion from the outside of the membrane moves through this open ion channel and reach inside of the cell membrane. So this is there are ion channels present in the cell membrane, through which the ions from the outside enters the channel, and it is transported, and it is released inside the cell. So this is the ion channel which facilitate the diffusion or the of the ions from outside to the inside of the cell through the ion channel. So this is the ion channel. There are two very important mechanisms for the facilitated diffusion: one by carrier protein, another by the. So these are the facilitated diffusion across the biological membrane of the cell membrane. And you know that ion channel, what type of substances are through this mechanism? No, you must know there's sodium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion, chlorine ion. All these ions are transported from outside to the inside through these ion channels. So these are the mechanisms of that we have studied the facilitated diffusion. So now this passive transport across the cell membrane has been completed. I have already discussed the simple diffusion, osmosis. Today we have already learned the facilitated diffusions, which involve the carrier protein and ion channel protein. And clear yes, Silpa?
Yes, sir.
आज हम लोग क्या सीख रहे हैं? बता